Good morning, everyone. Here we are at the Wyndham Hotel Fall Show 2024, second day. Everybody's just setting up, getting ready for the day 2 show. Yesterday, everyone really wasn't set up, so today they're all set up for sure. We're not started yet. It's about 7:30. I'll go around and show you a few more of the rooms again, and hope you enjoy. So here we go. Morning. Again, we're in the lobby. As I said before, it's free. I see people just walking in the door. Slot cars, trains. And this is the, not the primary lobby, but this is the second one. On the wall.
Just got that like a month ago. I'm sure somebody would buy it just to put in there.
Got them everywhere. In the corner, a lot of nice stuff again.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning. Giving everybody a look at all the nice stuff.
Pittsburgh guys are in the house.
Yes, they are. Get down the hallway here. We'll have to go out into the parking lot in a few minutes here. See if anybody's out there yet. See, more trains.
All I know is after the fourth quarter, like during the fourth quarter, they end up getting the most penalties in one game.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
You're on YouTube again. I like it better when nobody's in here.
I'm not holding the fort.
Holding it down.
Holding down the fort.
The enforcer. As I said, nobody's in here yet. So we got a free look at everything. Look at the Tunerville. Nice. The 9E. That's a standard gauge. Comet cars. Fence, bridges, flyer, Lionel stuff. Parts. I'll tell you guys again, to get into these shows, it's all free. You don't need to be a member. Just walk in the door. Free parking. Meet some new people. Look at the Hiawatha. Look at that bargain. Some flyer stuff. Lots of flyer stuff. Look at the newsstands. Boxes and all. Double back there.
Randy didn't show up yet, huh?
Yes, you did.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. He was gonna go in and have some breakfast.
Ah.
I'll be back.
Thank you.
See you guys. Have a good show.
Bye, thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Let's get down the hallway, see what we got down here. If anything. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Nope. Wrong way. Morning. Down this hallway. These guys aren't in yet. Can't see anything. Dark in there. Oh well. Let's go out in the parking lot. Here we go out in the lobby. We're going to head out in the parking lot. There's George, our division president of the Fort Pitt TCA.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome. Here we are in York. Fall York doesn't get any better than this, folks.
No, it really doesn't, does it?
Life is good. We are here. Life is good.
Yes.
If you haven't, you need to.
And tell them about the show. It's free.
We're here at the Wyndham, which was also known as the Holidome. This show's been happening for decades, and not only is it in the ballroom, it's all throughout the lobby, and then in some cases, if the weather's permitting, there's folks that set up in the parking lot, and I think today, weather's going to be permitting, so hopefully Tom will make a journey out and show you what's happening in the parking lot. So,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Woo-woo.
You bet, George. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping, Tom.
And ride them. It's free. Free parking. Free to get in.
Free to get in.
New friends.
Lots of new friends. Make a friend.
There you go. Thanks, George. Go out into the outside here and see what it's like outside. And there's not a whole lot of folks out here yet. I'm sure when the sun comes up and it starts looking a little nicer, it will have a lot of people, as usual. It's just an unusual time. We're not used to this chilly weather like this. It has been better in the past couple of years. A lot warmer, sunnier. I'm saying it's about 45 this morning. Chilly. There's a couple guys setting up here again. The access to this is also right through that door in the back of the ballroom. Come right out through there into this parking lot. You can see some tables. Guys are reserving their spots. They'll be setting up. A couple guys up here frantically pulling their stuff out. There they are, way up in the top there. There's a guy way up in the top of the parking lot setting up. Ew. All that motion makes you want to get sick. I don't like that stuff. So, here's the big parking lot again. There will be people out here later. I will have to stop back out and have a look. Folks, I'm going to go in the back door now. And have to see what's going on in here. This is from the other side. We left the room from totally opposite here, out that door, all the way at the end. We went out that door. That's into that lobby we walked out of. And here's just another view of this room. You go like this, pan way back.
Wait one day. I'm like, don't pull out my service bag. You stay outside. You can take the roof off. Yeah. But yeah, we called him the human bomb.
And of course we're at Neely's. This is all Rick's trains right here. Both sides. And we also have tables that are down in the corner. Way down there. Another 6 tables for Neely's. So, a lot of good stuff. Guys are still getting in here this morning. I hope you can get out here. As I said before, it's a free show, free parking, free entry. You don't have to be a member of TCA to get in. Anybody can get in here. Hope to see you all here. Thanks for stopping by. Remember, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll hopefully have another video sometime tomorrow. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm back. I forgot to show you the rest of this room inside here. What nice stuff there is. This is the ballroom. You guys had a long shot of it.
says you can't use glue.
And I figured I'd make a nice pan through here. See, these guys still aren't here, even though it's 8 o'clock. We're supposed to be here and be open. Good morning. Wow. Very nice. Are these redone? Are these redone or are they original?
I never have anything that's redone. See that picture over there? No, not my finger. The picture.
Oh,
That's my older house.
wow. Very nice.
Yeah, you want to see some toys? I'll show you some toys. And you won't find any that's redone.
It's at the printer this week,
Very cool.
the first week of November.
Look at the little forklift.
Classic toy trains. It's called lights, camera, light, all trains. These are proof copies to see. Yeah, there's 100 stories. You open it up. There's a photo on the left with someone
Nice tow truck.
typically famous for the trains.
Look at that. Has the boom and the hook. Very nice things. Here's who owns them, guys. Talking to this. We are looking at some more fine toys. Oh boy. Okay, I got to get over there and talk to my good buddy Jeff too. He wanted to get on there and he wanted to see himself, and I want you all to say hi to him. There's more of Neely's trains. Look at the guys huddled around everything. Gotta stop here real quick. This is our little mascot, Teddy. Teddy, say hi. No, he's just too much for himself to stand. Can't stand it. Thanks for stopping by, Teddy. Here's some more stuff. This is Chuck Brasher's stuff. There's Chuck and his wife.
Early, every day.
Right.
We got, I forget for about 25 years, and once you do that,
About 5.5 hour drive. Not bad at all.
Don't worry about that. Thank you.
Want to break the camera?
No, no such thing will happen.
I don't got that on. I was gonna put it on my other layout.
I just got all those houses up there. They're cheap. They're all big. I have all the other
Let's look at Jeff and his stuff. Wait a minute. Where's Jeff? Jeff. Very nice standard items.
That was just my thought that George was like, body was gonna sit over here, and underneath was gonna be like this recess, and we were gonna do a laser plate, and all that stuff. But you can do it all in one piece. Yes, I did in the email, and I'm like, I said to him, you think this is outside? I don't know.
Yeah, I'll be
oh man. I mean,
If it's this hard, then it's less training. You know, you put one trunk in
The old steam-driven stuff.
away from it.
Like I've asked them about that.
Yeah.
Alcohol, I've asked them about the grind and glue. Is it gonna be better to do one piece of olive and do that for side pieces? When you first preparation, you take that one piece and you carve it out and then send it. And once you leave that, actually, that's gonna be cheaper.
Sending a guy in white.
Than getting a piece of material.
He's 80.
One piece of material. Carve it, you're either taking out like an extra man.
Right.
So you usually have a lot more man hours. And if you're doing this one, you put it in the way to come back and it's done. You have to do that with 6 pieces. So you got two trains up to the ceiling. You have rigid frame.
I'm insane.
I was just worried about the seats. Yeah. But if he thinks
Here's the organizer of the show, Chuck. He's a busy man. He's all over the place. Morning, Chuck.
Morning. Come out to the train show on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and find all the good stuff before it disappears.
You're right, Chuck. It really does. It goes away fast. And from yesterday morning till now, I was just telling everybody it's a free show. It's a good show. And everything is moving. Nothing is sitting around. We had a good turnout yesterday, I feel. I think
Very good. Steady all day.
all day long, yeah. So folks, there it is. Once again, it's a free show. And we're just really getting rolling here, so hope to see you all here. Thanks.
1,200 and 1,000.
Look who showed up. Wow.
Everybody wants 12 for that. Well, that's on 62.
Look how nice this Hudson is. So this is like
Some bags?
Look at that, huh?
that 1950 version. That's beautiful. It's all original.
What are you asking for it, Jeff? That's
$1,000.
how many?
2,000.
$2,000. He bought it for 50.
Bought it for 50. I'm selling for 2,000.
What a profit. What a businessman. We were here earlier looking for you, sir. We could not see you. Here it is. In all honesty, Jeff always has good prices on everything. He's willing to make a deal. He's here to sell trains, not take them home again. And there he's making a nice deal down there right now. Whoops. All the way down at the end. I'll be back in a minute. Last shot of Jeff's tables. I see him down at Rogers all the time, and I'll tell you, he's a good dealer. You always find a good deal at Jeff's tables, and I met him through all this, and he's a all-around good guy. Most of these guys here are. I shouldn't say just Jeff, but most everybody here is pretty pleasant to talk to, deal with, and everything else. So, okay, that's really it. I have a few spotlight guys. Oh, there's Sal.
Hey, go back.
There he is, huh? Good, good. There's Sal. He's a good buddy of mine too. All right, folks. I'll catch up with you a little later. Thanks.